Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Family Arts and Crafts. This is our very first live presentation. And today what we're going to be making are dragon eyes. So here are some examples of your dragon eyes. Now, if you had the opportunity to visit either library here at Downtown or Centennial, then you may have picked up one of these bags. So we provided the marble for you, some of the solid paper color cutouts, and some instructions. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a live demonstration, and so after, you can definitely tag your photos of your own personalized dragon eye in the comments section below. But first, what I like to do is I like to go over a couple of announcements. So we still have the summer feeding program, library lunches at the Downtown Library from noon to 1, Monday through Friday, and that will end on August 7th. So the last day for children to eat free will be August 7th at the Downtown Library. And next Wednesday, on July 29th, we will have Harlan the Magician at the Horseshoe Arena in the education room, and he will be performing at both 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Same performance, just make sure that you wear your mask and come out and just enjoy some nice magic tricks and stuff that Harlan will provide to us. Also, one more thing is the last day to log your summer reading points will be on July 31st. So that will end at midnight, and you may be entered into a drawing if you complete the program for a nice cool bike that you can also see those on our Facebook page. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you have your bag, and I'm going to show you one option to do your DIY dragon eye. So take out your marble and pick a nice pretty color that we provided. So I'm gonna do orange. So for this craft, you're gonna need some markers or Sharpies, some school glue, and some scissors because the pieces of paper are a little bit big, so we're gonna have to trim them a little bit to fit the marble. So the first thing you're gonna do is, well, at least I'm gonna do, is I'm going to cut out the piece of paper to kind of form the shape of the marble here, because this is going to be glued at the end. So a little bit smaller here. So my option, like I said, I'm going to show you the marker option, which is in the cutout. So you grab your markers or your Sharpie here, and I'm going to use a Sharpie for the back of my marble just to draw the outline of the eye to the dragon. Now, if you have paint, glitter, or any other items at home that you can add to your marble, you can get creative as you like. So I'm just gonna draw here. Let me zoom in. So I just drew an eye with some eyelashes. But when I think of a dragon, I associate a dragon with red eyes. So I'm gonna get my red and I'm gonna draw it in between my eye. That's gonna be my eye color. So very simple. I don't know. And then, okay, my dragon's gonna have blue spots in his eye for whatever reason, because he's unique. Okay. Very quick and easy. So there you have it. And I also tried drawing on the paper, but it didn't, the translucent nature of it drawing on a marble just looks a lot better. So after you do that, you get your piece of paper. Now it's going to show up white on the back of the eye, but the school glue should dry clear. So just do that. Stick it on the back. Turn it over and let it dry. So you will see that it's kind of white on that orange paper there, but it should dry clear if you give it some time and leave it for a couple of minutes. So it should look something like this. This is where I use blue, but it dried clear, that glue there. So Alyssa here, she's going to show you the cutout option. She has some examples there as well.
Cutout option will give you some see-through eyes to see right through the glass. And you'll get some nice light that comes right through the center of those. So what we'll need is a pair of scissors, your lovely dragon eye kit that you'll get from the library. And we're going to do just like shaded and trim down the paper so it can fit right behind it. I'm going to eyeball it.
That was a good one. No
That
pun
was
intended.
accident. It's a bad have it on mine.
That's good.
Okay. So that should fit right behind the glass right there. And we are going to fold our paper in half and cut out a little sliver on the fold. Just a little cutout. Try not to cut it in half, but we can still work with it if you do. And then we're going to have that see-through hole right there. And then we will glue it down. And just like Shay said, this glue is white right now, but it will dry on clear. We'll stick it right on there. And there you have your see-through dragon eye. And you can draw on it, you can use both methods together, and you can get all sorts of creations out of these. And we want to see them posted on Facebook as soon as you get them done.
So yeah, so thank you for tuning in with us today. Make sure to tune in next week at 10 a.m. same time. But we hope you enjoyed it and you have a great day.